We 3Growbags are all doing the Chelsea chop. Elaine's doing it in France, Laura's doing it in West Sussex, and even Caroline is doing it in the Highlands of Scotland. The Chelsea chop, so called because you do it around the time of the Chelsea flower show, so late May and early June, consists of cutting back by a half or a third those fast-growing herbaceous perennials that are going to flower later in the year, like heleniums, asters, sedums, or veronicastrums, or those that flower non-stop all summer long, like catmint. Once chopped, the stems will each sprout new branches at the point of the cut, which will make for a lower, bushier and sturdier plant that won't flop or need staking later in the summer. And as it will flower on each of the newly sprouted branches, it may well also give you more flowers as well, although they might be a little bit smaller. It may also flower a little later than usual, so you can either cut the whole clump down in one go, which means the whole thing will be shorter, sturdier and flower a little later, or you can cut half the clump, which means the uncut half will flower at the usual time, and the cut half will flower lower and a little later, so you've extended the flowering period and also created a height dynamic. Or you can also do this by selectively trimming shoots across the whole bush, so you have later flowering stems pushing through across the whole plant. Now, just a word of warning, it's not suitable for herbaceous perennials that only flower once earlier in the summer, so don't try this with peonies, baptisia or Siberian iris, for example, as all you'll do is cut off the buds and they won't reflower. But with this proviso, it's a smart move that'll reap benefits later in the summer with less staking and more flowers. So join us three and get out there and get Chelsea chopping. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.